Appointment reminders make sure the customers your AI sales assistant books actually show up, with automatic confirmations and reminders for every appointment. From the sidebar, open your agent, then appointment reminders. Click at it, switch reminders on, and a recommended schedule loads instantly. The first section is what your leads receive, a confirmation request 2 days ahead, and on the day itself, exactly one message, either a re-ask if they haven't confirmed, or a friendly reminder if they have. The second section keeps your team in the loop. A schedule heads up the day before, an instant text the moment a lead confirms, and a single warning if someone still hasn't. You can also name the appointment whatever fits your business. Type session, and every message uses your word. Below that, add the teammates who should get these alerts. When it all looks right, click Save. From then on, every booking is confirmed and reminded automatically, so more of your customers show up.